Imagine someone packing your suitcase so perfectly you feel like James Bond at airport security. We're closing out the season with a job you'll wish you had on speed dial before your holiday travel. Meet the personal travel gear curator. Yes, it's a real job, and yes, it's as fabulous as it sounds. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. W, professor, mom, and part time career sleuth. This is Majors, Minors, and Maybes, where we decode the delightful and downright surprising corners of the working world. Today, it's our season finale, and we're going out in style. With holiday travel around the corner, we're packing up one last unexpected career you had no idea you needed, the personal travel gear curator. So grab your passport and your perfectly rolled sweater. Let's get started. Meet Jordan. I'm not your average travel agent. I'm a personal travel gear curator, which basically means I make sure my clients never show up underpacked, overpacked, or carrying anything less than the perfect power adapter. Last week, a client called me 2 days before flying to Tokyo, Iceland, and Dubai on the same trip. They needed outfits for 3 climates, tech for translation and charging, and a discreet carry-on they could wheel through customs like a boss. My job? To plan, pack, and ship everything from wrinkle-free cashmere to portable Wi-Fi hubs. And I programmed the travel wardrobe app they use. It tracks temperature, dress codes, and even suggests outfits. Do I fold or roll? Honey, I elevate. Jordan's job is the perfect send-off for a season built on delight and discovery. Come on, packing as a career? It's elegant, practical, and yes, deeply niche, just the way we like it here. This season, we explored several jobs that live at the crossroads of creativity, science, storytelling, and tech. From the biomedical animator to the climate ento-informatician, still my favorite mouthful. You were all here with me all season long, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Well, guys, this is our final office hours of the season, holiday edition. Think of this as the peppermint hot cocoa of career advice. Warm, unexpected, and just the right amount of extra. Whether you're a packing perfectionist or just love a good travel spreadsheet, let's unwrap the career clues hiding in your quirks. Are you the kind of person who builds spreadsheets for your vacation? Do you research plug types and emergency contact cards before you even book your flight? Do you curate your carry-on snacks? Then travel logistics might not just be a quirk, it could be a calling. Start by exploring travel consulting, luxury concierge services, or fashion logistics. You never know what side hustle might turn someone's passport to a smoother journey. Did you know that some high-profile clients pay up to $10,000 per month for full-service travel curation? This includes holiday prep, digital itinerary management, real-time climate wardrobe alerts, and yes, emergency chocolate refills. If you've loved discovering the weird, wonderful, and wildly cool jobs hiding in plain sight, don't forget to follow or subscribe so you're one of the first to know when Season 2 launches. We'll be back after the holidays with more stories, more career curveballs, and maybe a few jobs that make your inner resume rebel do a happy dance. Until then, keep exploring, keep asking weird questions, and keep believing that your future might be hiding in the most unexpected place. And hey, if you're heading out for the holidays this season, whether it's to your childhood home or somewhere fabulous, may your flight be on time, your snacks be TSA friendly, and your job search just a little bit more inspired. I'm Dr. W. This has been Majors, Minors, and Maybes. Catch you guys in the new year.